Make sentences using the word tree. The word tree can have different meanings based on the context. I see a tree. Here, tree means a big plant. The tree is tall. Here, tree means a tall plant with a trunk. Bird sits on the tree. Here, tree means a plant where birds rest. A tree has green leaves. Here, tree means a plant with leaves. The monkey climbs the tree. A tree gives us shade. Here, tree means a big plant that protects us from the sun. A tree gives us fruits. Here, tree means a plant that grows fruits like mangoes and apples. We must plant a tree. Here, tree means a plant that helps nurture. The wind moves the tree. Tree means a plant that moves when the wind blows. A big tree is in my school. The tree goes slowly. Here, tree means a plant that takes time to grow. We shouldn't cut a tree. Tree means a plant that should be saved. We shouldn't cut a tree. A mango tree gives sweet fruits. Tree means a plant that grows mangoes. The birds make nest in the tree. The birds makes nest in the tree. A big tree gives fresh air. Tree means a plant that helps clean the air. More meaning of tree. A family tree shows my family. Here, tree means a chart of family members. We put lights on a Christmas tree. Tree means a special plant decorated for Christmas. The tree has strong roots. Tree means a plant with deep roots underground. Many animals live in a tree. Here, tree means a home for animals like birds and squirrels. We sat under a tree to rest. Tree means a plant that gives shade and cool air. A tree cleans the air. Tree means a plant that removes pollution from the air. A tree has many branches. Tree means a plant with many arms called branches. My family tree shows my grandparents. Tree means a chart that shows family history. A coconut tree grows near the beach. Tree means a tall plant that gives coconuts. The tree gives us wood for furniture. Tree means a plant that provides wood for making tables and chairs.